So in this video we'll learn how to use Git. So first thing after installing Git is we need to check if it is properly installed or not. On Mac I have opened terminal. On Windows you can open command prompt and then you can type the command git and then version. If this command give you a version of Git that is installed, this means that Git is properly installed on your system. But otherwise, if it is showing no such command found, that means you have not properly installed the software, or you have to correct the environment variables. So in Windows, we need to check if the environment variables are properly set or not. I'll put a link to how to set environment variable in the description box. So after checking the version, we can start working on Git. I have opened the folder structure where I will create a new folder for the Git, and here I have open editor to write something into a text file. So Java program, in this directory I am creating a new folder named demo git. I will save my files now in this folder. So first of all I'm navigating to this folder so that I can create a repository. Here first of all I am typing a command ls to see what all folders exist in my current directory. In Windows you can type dir command which will tell you what all folders are there. So I am working in this folder GitHub. I need to change my directory by cd GitHub. After going to GitHub, let me check. I have many files and I have to go to Java program, cd Java program, and in this cd demo git. So now through this terminal I am pointing to this folder demo git. In this, the first thing we need to do is create a repository of Git. For this I have to type git init. Okay, so it has created a repository of Git in this demo Git folder. I can create now files here. Suppose there is a class. Okay, I should mention some Java file here. Okay, so this is a file that I have created, some demo code of Java. After writing this file in this demo git folder, so Git works as like there are three things. One is the working directory where we are working. Then there is a Git directory which will store all the things, and in between there is the staging area. So whatever work we do here, it is in working directory. We need to type add command to store it into the staging area, and then from staging area to Git directory, we need to type commit command to store that in the Git directory. So how it works? First of all, I am checking the status, Git status. So Git status says there is a file shape.java in our folder. There are no commit yet. That means nothing has been added to Git directory. And this file is also untracked, means this file is not staged. So let us first of all stage this file into the staging area. For that we need to use git add. I can type file name or I can use dot. This dot operator what will do, it will add all the files that there are in working directory to the staging area. As of now I have just one file, so using this, now if I do git status, it says both these files are now in the staging area, but nothing is yet been committed, so nothing is in Git directory. So suppose you have created a file and it shows to one point that your project is completed or your file is completed, so we commit that into the directory. How to commit? Git commit, and then additionally we type a message like this is the first commit, or we can type inheritance included. We normally write a name which identifies that how much work has been done in this commit. So I have implemented inheritance till this point and I am committing. So after committing, I can again check git status. It says that the working directory is clean, everything is on the git directory now. Now suppose I am making some change in my file and I have deleted this file, deleted this class, and after deleting I am saving it. So whatever changes you do, you can check it here that they are shown by git status command. So git status says that shape.java file has been modified. So it is a good practice that you need not to update the directory after every edit, but once the edit shows something useful, like I have deleted the class and I have done, suppose, included exception handling in this, after that what I need to do is I need to add by git add. So whatever changes that I have done will be added to the staging area. What add do? Add command from working directory to staging area. It reflected all the changes between these two. So after using this, I'm again checking by git status. It says that shape.java has been modified and it is in the staged area. Again, if we want to commit, I'll use git commit minus m and the message is, suppose I have included the exception handling. Okay, so now we can check what all commits have been done and what are changes in that. So for that we use git log. What git log tell? That, see this command, where is git log? Here. Git log says that there was this commit, most recent commit will come first. So exception handling was done. Before that there was a commit which shows inheritance. We can see a difference between these two commits, that what are the changes. For that git log we can use a stat option which says that 61 lines were included and after that 11 lines were deleted and one line was inserted. So it keeps on tracking that what changes have you made. Okay, we can also go back to a particular commit. Suppose you have made a program till exception handling and then you are trying to implement something and nothing is working. So we can go back to this commit and start fresh from there. Okay, so these are very basic commands that we can use and it will help us in better handling our programs.